Now let's see delete node at begin of double linked list. So for this there will be, let us see what are the scenarios that are possible. The first scenario is there are no nodes. So if head is equal to null, so what does it mean? Means there is no nodes. Just we print there are no nodes to delete. There are no nodes in linked list to delete. So this is the first step. Second step, if there are two, so one node, only one node is there, how we will be knowing it? Else if head is equal to you can simply say head of next is equal to null. It means head of next is equal to null and head of previous is also null. Head of previous will be obviously null if there is only, so head of next is null. It means, so printf there is only one node, so there will be one node, we need to delete it. So to delete it, what we can do is, so head is equal to, we'll put it as null, also tail will be putting it as null. And the third scenario, if there are more than one node or there are multiple nodes, like greater than or equal to two nodes, in this situation what we will be doing is we need to create, so let's say this is the situation, so this is the node, this is the node, so like this we have an example. Let's say we have total 3 nodes in sequence in a linked list. So now what are the assignments? This is the head, this is the tail, and yeah, this is how it will be. So now what I want to do is, I want to delete this and put this as null and want to make this node as head node. Okay, these are the 3 steps which I need to do. So for this, let us take some temporary pointer struct node star temp, where this temp is pointed to head. Okay, so this is the temp, the same where head is pointed, temp is also pointed. Okay, the temp is pointed to this node. I will extend the head is equal to head of next. So what now will happen is, so head is moved to next node, so now this is the head, right? This is the head. Now what I want to do is, so I want to put this as null, so head of prev is equal to null. So head of prev equal to null means this connection will be broken, and I want to eliminate this temp, so I will make free of temp, free temp. So this is what it happens. So this is the step-by-step procedure where this node will be completely removed, and this is only, so this is the only linked list, double linked list, with this is the head where this is the tail. And also now we will be looking at delete node at end of double linked list. Here also we will be taking the 3 scenarios for deletion. One is there are no nodes, one is there is single nodes, there is more than one nodes. So first step, so if head is equal to null means there are no nodes to create. Else if head of next is equal to null means there is only one node that is present. So to delete the head node or tail node, So we'll make head as null, also the tail as null. If there are, let's say, multiple nodes, let's for example instance take 3 nodes. I want to delete this node. Currently head is pointed here and tail is pointed here. This is how the connections are, and currently this is null and this is also null currently. So now what I want to do is, so I want to eliminate this node and want to put here null and want to make this as tail. So these are the 3 things that I need to do. So how I will be doing, so in else condition, so I will let me create struct dnode star temp. So temporary pointer is created where it will be pointed. So here also, as we are using double linked list, so just to better use struct dnode, because we created the structure as dnode instead of just node, right? So struct dnode star temp, where temp is assigned to tail, and I want to make, so first step I will be doing this. So I will put to tail is equal to tail of previous. So now this will be moved to here. So tail becomes tail of previous, but this is the tail, new tail. And want to make the second step, I want to do this thing. So what will happen now, tail of next is equal to null I am putting. So this connection is broken. And third step, I want to remove this node. So for it, what I can do is free of temp. Currently temp is this thing, right? Temp is equal to, so this whole thing will be removed. So now the updated linked list, double linked list is this thing.